Good afternoon, dear student. This is Kaushalya Sharma, your science subject teacher. Today I am going to teach you microorganism. This is the fifth part of the chapter, and in this video I am going to teach you about food preservation, its methods. Now, food preservation. This is the process by which spoilage of food is prevented by using physical and chemical methods. Now, there are some conditions in which the microorganism cannot grow or multiply. The first one is condition are dry, second is temperature is very low, and the third one is temperature is very high. Now, some methods are, the first method is chemical method. This is the normal method in which chemicals are going to be used to preserve foods, such as sodium benzoate. This chemical is used to preserve fruits, juices and squash. Potassium metaphosphate is the chemical used to preserve fruit, jam, citric acid, and citric acid is going to be used to preserve confectionaries. Now, the preservation by common salt. As we know, in our home we made pickles. In that pickle a maximum amount of water are going to be used. So salt is also a preservative substitute which is used to preserve pickles, fish, meats. Now sugar. Excessive amount of sugar is used to consider to preserve some of the fruits like into jam and jelly. Now, preservation by oil and vinegar. To preserve meat and fish, we use mustard oil or sirka, and this method is called preservation by oil and vinegar. Pasteurization. It is the normal process of preventing the milk. The milk is going to be heated at 70 degrees Celsius for 15 to 30 seconds, and this method is invented by Louis Pasteur in 1862. Now, by cooling or freezing, frozen fruits and vegetables are the example of this type of preservation. By dehydration, as we know, we can use these proceedings to dehydrate, means dry the wheats, rice, pulses and clean it and dry it in the sunlight and preserve it for the future use. Thank you for today.